Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can see your password in your Google account. So what you have to do is just simply open up a Google application like Play Store, Gmail, etc. Then after that go to the top right corner and click at your profile. Then choose the account that you want to see the password of by clicking at the drop down icon. Then choose any account of your liking. Then again click at your profile at the top right corner. Then click on manage your Google account. Then click on security by just scrolling a little bit and click on security. Then click on password. Now enter your existing password. So as you can see now you have an option of creating a new password. So that as you can see now, I wrote down a new password for my Google account. So that's the only way you can see your password of your Google account, by creating an entirely new password. So that's it. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe to my channel and take care.